Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to use your image in Leonardo AI. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to of course head over to user tools and click on image generation. Alright, then from over here what you'd want to do next is to click on image guidance right here, and over here we just want to add an image to this. So this is an image I was using as reference before. We can either delete this or upload a new image. I'll just click on upload, and over here we have an option of uploading a recent image, or we can of course upload a completely new image. Alright, and from here there are a few things we can do, and one of them is the image strength, which we can use to regulate how much likeness the image will have to what we are generating, which is obviously here, and we can change a few other things like the number of generations and of course input dimension, including the model we are using, and of course some other options, right? So that's basically how to use your image in Leonardo AI. If this tutorial did give you some insight on how to go about the process, then feel free to leave a like on the video, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in another video.